Welcome to this breaking news update. We have just received reports that Ukraine has been accused of launching 2 drone attacks on the Kremlin in Moscow, which Russian officials have described as a terrorist act and an assassination attempt on President Putin's life. Our sources provide us with the latest details. In the latest development in the ongoing conflict between Russia and Ukraine, Moscow has accused Kiev of launching 2 drone attacks on the Kremlin overnight. Russian officials have claimed that the drones were intercepted by the Russian military and special services before they could cause any damage. However, they have described the incident as a terrorist act and an attempt on President Putin's life. According to the Kremlin press service, the Ukrainian drones targeted the residence of the Russian president in the Kremlin. Although Putin was not believed to be there at the time, Russian officials have warned that they reserve the right to respond where and when necessary. This latest incident is likely to escalate tensions between Russia and Ukraine, which have been locked in a conflict since 2014, when Russia annexed Crimea from Ukraine. The conflict has led to thousands of deaths and a fragile ceasefire that is frequently violated. The drone attacks on the Kremlin are a significant development in the ongoing conflict between Russia and Ukraine. The accusation that Ukraine launched a terrorist attack on the Russian president's residence is likely to worsen already strained relations between the two countries. The Ukrainian government has denied any involvement in the incident, but this is unlikely to prevent a swift response from Russia. The use of drones in conflict has become increasingly prevalent in recent years, and this incident demonstrates how easily they can be used to cause destruction and chaos. While the Russian military was able to intercept the drones and prevent any damage, this incident is a reminder of the potential threat posed by unmanned aerial vehicles. The conflict in Ukraine has had a devastating impact on the region, with thousands of lives lost and many more displaced from their homes. The international community has been working to find a peaceful solution to the conflict, but incidents like this only serve to increase tensions and make the prospect of a resolution more distant. As we await further developments on this breaking story, it is clear that the situation in Ukraine remains volatile and unpredictable. The world will be watching closely to see how Russia and Ukraine respond to this latest incident and whether it will lead to further escalation of the conflict. Thank you for watching this breaking news update. We will continue to monitor the situation between Russia and Ukraine and bring you the latest updates as they become available. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more news and analysis.